Welcome back, dear level 2 students. How are you all doing? In the last video, we learned about analog clocks and how to read time. Yes? So, in this clock, what is the time now? The shorthand or the hour hand is at 7. And the long hand or the minute hand is at 12. So, the time is 7 o'clock. So whenever the long hand is at 12, we say it as o'clock. So the time is 7 o'clock. So see now, the minute hand is slowly moving to 1. Now how will you read the time? The shorthand you have to read like that. It is near 7, so you will say 7. And the minute hand is near 1. So to read the minutes, you have to multiply it by 5. So 5 ones are 5. So the time is now 7:05. Then 2. When the minute hand comes to 2, how many minutes it is? 5 into 2. 5 twos are 10. So the time is 7:10. Similarly, when it comes to 3, it is 5 threes are 15. So 15 minutes have passed. So the time is 7:15. So the clock will go around like this and you have to multiply the minute hand number into 5 to read the minutes. Now see, the clock, the minute hand has come to 6. 6. So what is the time now? 6 into 5 is 30. 5 6 are 30. So 30 minutes have passed. 7:30. The time is 7:30. Half an hour has passed. Or you can also say it as 7:30. 7:30. Then it will go like this. And when it comes to 9, what is the time? We have to do 5 into 9. 5 nines are 45. 5 nines are 45. So the time is 7:45 or quarter to 8. 7:45. So see the shorthand now, it is also moving and it is coming close to 8. So when the time is at 45, when it is 45 minutes past, then the shorthand or the hour hand will also move from 7 and it will slowly come to 8. It will not come to 8 exactly, it will slowly be near 8. So now you see, now the minute hand is moving again and it is coming to 12. Then what we should say? O'clock. And where is the shorthand now, our hand? It is at 8. So the time is 8 o'clock. So always remember, when it is at 3, you have to say as 15. Now the time is 8:15. When it is at 6, you have to say as 30. Time is 8:30. And when it is at 9, you have to say as 45. So based on this, we will do some exercises from our workbook. Take page number 98. Read this question. Number 5. Shown. Circle the correct time shown on each clock. They have given us different clocks. There are many clocks in this page. We have to read the time and circle the correct time. Okay? You all know to read the time, no? So we will do it easily. So the first one is, there are two hands, short hand and the long hand. Where is the short hand? It is at 12. The short hand is at 12. And where is the long hand? It is at 3. The long hand is at 3. So how will you read the time now? The short hand you will say as such, 12. And what is the long hand? It is at 3. So you have to multiply by 5. Very good. So 5 threes are 15. So what is the time now? 12:15. So do we have 12:15 here? Yes, this is 12:15. Let us circle it. Then come to the next one. Where is the small hand? It is near It is between 3 and 4. It is between 3 and 4. It is almost near 4. And the long hand is at 9. So what is the time now? We have to say as, it's not at 4. It is between 3 and 4. So we have to say as 3. The hour is 3. And what is the minute? The minute is 45. Why? 9 into 5. 5 nines are 45. So the time is 3:45. All of you circle 3:45. Now see this. Again the long hand is at 9. So 45. And where is the short hand? The short hand is between 6 and 7. Between 6 and 7. So it is 6:45. Next one. Where is the short hand? The short hand is at 10 and the long hand is at 3. So 3 means how many minutes? 15. So 10:15. The short hand is between 5 and 6 and the long hand is at 9. So the time is 5:45. Go to the next question. The short hand is at 2 and the long hand is at, the minutes hand is at 3. So the time is 2:15. Similarly, short hand at 7 and long hand or the minutes hand at 3. So 15, 7, 7:15. The time is 7:15. Then see here, the short hand is between 12 and 1. So 12, and where is the long hand, minute hand? It is at 9. So the time is 12:45. 5 nines are 45. So 12:45. Circle 12:45 all of you. So the short hand is at 6 and the long hand is at 3. So again the time is 6:15. See here carefully, the short hand is at 9 and the long hand is at 3. So the short hand time we have to see 9 and long hand 15 minutes. So 9:15. Now please move on to the next page, page number 99. The question is, read each time and write it in the space under the clock. So there are different clocks and each clock shows one time. We have to read the time and write it in this place. Okay? So first one you tell me, it is the short hand is between 3 and 4. It is not at 4. Only if it comes here, when it comes here, it is at 4. It is between 3 and 4. So what we have to write? We have to write the hour as 3. 3. And then you have to put two small dots like this. Okay? And then you have to write the minutes. How many minutes are this? How many minutes are this? It is the minute hand or the long hand is at 9. So 5 nines are 45. So what is the time now? 3:45. 3:45. Then now go to the next clock, second clock. Where is the short hand? It is again between 3 and 4. See, it is not exactly at 4. Only when it comes here, it is exactly at 4. It is between 3 and 4. And where is the long hand? It is at 10. So what you have to write? 5 tens are 50. 5 tens are 50. So the time is 3 Write it like this. 3, 2 dots, and then 5 tens are 50. So 50, 350. Next one, the third clock. Very easy. Where is the shorthand? It is at 6. The shorthand is at 6 and the long hand is at 12. So whenever the long hand is at 12, we say as o'clock. So 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock you can also say as 00 because the time is starting from here only. Right? From here it is starting 00. Then it becomes 05, 10 like that. So how you can write 6 o'clock in number? You can write like this. 6, 2 dots, 00. 6 o'clock or 6. Then come to the fourth one. Where is the shorthand now? It is near 11. It is near 11. And where is the long hand? It is at 7. So what we have to do? 11 we have to write just like that. And 7 we have to write as 5 into 7. 5 sevens are 35. 5 sevens are 35. So what is the time now? The shorthand is 11. 11, 2 dots and 35. Got it? Next. Where is the shorthand here? It is near 8. It is near 8 and the long hand is at 7. Again 35. So it is 8:35. Sixth clock. The short hand is at 11 and the long hand is at 1. 1 means what is the time? How many minutes have passed? 5 minutes. 5 ones are 5. So we will write 5 minutes as 05. Okay? So this is 11:05. Write 11. The short hand is at 11 and the minutes hand or the long hand is at 1. So 5. 11:05. Now come to the seventh clock. Where is the short hand? 3. The hour hand is at 3. So the first thing you will write on the clock, time is 3. So first you have to see the short hand. That you will write as the first number. Then you will put 2 dots and then you will write the minutes hand. Okay. So first directly you can write. See the short hand and write that number. So write that first. It is 3. 2 dots. And what is here? It is at 1. So how many minutes? 5. 3, 5. The time is 3, 5. Eighth one. Where is the short hand? It is in between 2 and 3. So the hour will be 2. 2 dots. And then where is the long hand? It is at 8. So what is the time for 8? When the minutes hand is at 8, how we should calculate? We should multiply by 5. So 5 eights are 40. So what is the time now? 2:40. So write as 2, 2 dots, 40. The last one, the ninth one. Where is the short hand? It is between 2 and 3. So 2. You have to write the first number as 2. And where is the long hand? It is at 5. So how many minutes? 5 fives are 25. So 25 minutes have passed. So 2:25. The time is 2:25. So all of you know to read the time now. So you should remember 5 tables nicely. To read the minutes, you should know the 5 tables. The shorthand you will write as such. The number near the shorthand you will write that first, and then you will put 2 dots and multiply the minute hand into 5 and write that minutes. Okay, keep practicing this. It will be easy. You will learn to tell the time soon. Okay, at home also you see the clock and try to tell the time. Now please turn the next page, page number 100. The question is, match the time of the digital clock with the analog clock. So this side we have all digital clocks with the exact time. And here we have the analog clock. We have to read the time. Then we will match both of them. The same time, wherever it is, we will match it. So for that, what we should do first? In the analog clock, we will read the time and write it on the side. Then it will be easy for us to match. So first, let's read the analog clock time and write it. A. What is the time? 1. And it is at 12. So what you should write time minutes? 00. So the time is 1 o'clock. 1, 0, 0. Then what is the time here? It is 12. And when it is at 3, it is 15 minutes. So 12, 15. So when it is at 3, it is 5 3s are 15. So 12, 15. Then C. Ten, 15. Yes, 10, 15. Fourth one. What is it? The shorthand is near 6 and 7. Between 6 and 7. So 6 and the long hand is at 6. So what is the time? How many minutes? 5 6 are 30. Whenever it is in 6, you have to say it as 30. So the time is 6:30. And the last one. Where is the shorthand? It is between 8 and 9. It is between 8 and 9. So the hour is 8. And when the long hand is 9, what are the minutes? It is 45 minutes. How? 5 9s are 45. So what is the time now? 8:45. So write as 8:45. So these are all the times of the clock. Okay. Now let us match. Where is 1? A and 4. This analog clock and this digital clock are matching. This analog clock and this digital clock are matching. So match them. Similarly, match all the clocks 1 and this B. 12:15, 12:15. Then 6:30 here. Where is 6:30 this side? Yeah, here. D. 2 and D. Then 8:45. Where is 8:45? The last one, 8:45. Then 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. Here also 1 o'clock. Match that. Then 10:15. C. 10:15. Match everything neatly with a scale. Both the clocks should have the same time. Should read the same time. How you have to match. So now you have learnt about analog and digital clocks. You know about shorthand and minute hand, AM, PM. So what you will do now? You will see the clock at your home. You will see the analog clock at your home and try to read the time on your own. So every now and then you see the clock, tell the shorthand and the minutes hand, you multiply by 5 and tell the time. Like this, if you do, you will be able to read the time very easily soon. You read the time and ask your parents if it is correct. Then you practice like that. Okay? I will see you soon in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care.